In today's world, we know that AI is everywhere. Everyone is talking about it. Every single industry is finding ways to add AI tools into their product, to their services. So of course, Adobe decided to add some crazy, super useful AI tools into Adobe Premiere Pro. And to be honest,
this is really good.
So let's talk about 9 AI features Adobe added into Premiere Pro that will help you to become a better and a faster video editor.
This is tactically dangerous.
Let's start with the easiest one, text-based editing, which is like the feature of this era. This feature allows you to edit your videos like you're editing an essay or maybe a Word doc, whichever you like it. To use this feature, click on your timeline and go to Windows and then Text. Click on Transcribe. Now Premiere Pro will do the magic and create this word text for your video. Now all you have to do is edit like you're just editing a document. So go through it as you're reading a document and remove anything you don't want in your video. And Premiere Pro will delete that section directly from your sequence.
It's like a magic trick.
So once you're done with editing from the text, you can use the same transcription to create a subtitle for your video. And hence comes the next AI feature, a quickest way to add subtitle to your video from transcription. So how do we do it? It's very simple. After transcribing your video, you can click on the CC icon here. If you like, you can change the setting here and then click on Create Captions. Now select all of them and go to Windows and Essential Graphic. Here you can change the font, the size, and the color of your text. And if you want to learn more about this feature, there is a video for you in the description. I know. You're welcome. The next AI feature is Color Match. The Color Match allows you to steal any color grading from any videos or shows you watch on internet directly into Premiere Pro.
You are joking, aren't you?
Yeah.
Just go to Google and take a screenshot of any film or any look you like to copy from. This works with photos as well as with sample videos. So just bring a reference clip to your timeline. Now go to Windows and Lumetri Color. In Lumetri Color, go to Color Wheels and Match. Select your video and click on the comparison view. Premiere Pro will have two side-by-side windows open for you. On the left side, click on this blue dot and make sure you are seeing the reference frame you would like to copy from. And on the right side, make sure you are seeing the video you want to edit. Make sure you check this face detection box and then click Apply. And voila, you just stole the color from your desired movie.
No, I did not.
Now hit on comparison view again to see it in a normal view. By the way, color grading is a step comes after color correction. And what if you have a lot of log files? One way to fix it, applying a log preset one by one on each video. Or you can speed up this process by using another AI feature, of course, in Premiere Pro. So let's see, I have 4 of these log files. Instead of editing them one by one, I would simply go to File and Project Setting. In Project Setting, I'm going to click on Color. Check on Auto Detect Log Video Color Space. That's a long word, but don't worry, I put it on your screen.
That's very sweet of you.
And there you have it, my friend. All your log videos now converted into Rec 709. After working on the color correction and color grading, now let's work a little bit on the audio. So let's start with the easiest and my favorite one, the Remix tool. This AI feature allows you to adjust the length of your music without making any random cuts. So you can grab this tool from the toolbar and go to the end of your track and make your music track longer or shorter. It's simple and easy. To be honest, the way it does it, it's so good.
But that's a lie.
The next AI features will help you automatically adjust the volume of your music. What we usually do is drag this volume line down or up to change the volume of your music. But this is making the entire music low or high. It is not doing just a certain section. And what if you only want certain section of your music to have a lower volume and certain section to have a higher volume? One way to do it, you grab a pen tool and start creating keyframes and do it all manually. And the other way you can do it by using the AI-powered feature called auto ducking.
But that's impossible!
To use this feature, first click on the dialog file and go to Windows and Essential Sound. Here, you're going to assign this as a dialog track. Now click on the music file, go to Essential Sound again and assign this as a music. After that, you're going to scroll down until you see the ducking. Not the ducking like this, the ducking word.
You are stupid.
First, you have to click on this box to activate the ducking features. In ducking again, you're going to select dialog, change the sensitivity, ducking amount, and fade duration as per your like, and then click on generate keyframes. And there you have it. Once again, Premiere Pro did the magic for you. And of course, you can also readjust this thing if you don't like it and generate again.
I don't think I know that.
The next feature is my favorite feature. It is the newest feature in Adobe Premiere Pro. It is still in the beta version, but I'm telling you, this is gonna change the whole world for me, to be honest. So now you have all this ready. The music audio is balanced, color grading is done, and you have also generated the subtitle for your video. But for some reason, your audio quality is not good. It's kind of sounding crappy. Don't worry, my friend. Premiere Pro got you covered here as well. In the newest Premiere Pro, you have another AI feature to fix this with just one click.
Oh, thank God.
First, let's hear the original audio.
Hello there, fellow nomads. Welcome and welcome back to episode 4 of...
Oh my god, that sounds terrible.
Yes, you are right.
So let's fix it. Click on this audio and go to Essential Sound. If you don't see Essential Sound, then go to Windows and click on Essential Sound. Click on Enhance. Premiere Pro will use again AI feature to enhance your video quality from poor to podcast style.
Hello there, fellow nomads. Welcome and welcome back. Hello there, fellow nomads. Welcome and welcome back to episode...
You also have this amount slider to adjust the intensity of your effect, so you can play around and find the best result for your crappy video.
How dare you say that to me?
After posting your video on YouTube, you realize you want to repurpose your video. But unfortunately, like me, you don't have a raw file or project saved anywhere. You just delete it. All you have this final video. Don't worry, my friend, you don't have to go through and find every single cuts to make those cuts. You can do this by using another AI feature called scene detection.
Keep going, and God bless you.
Bring your video to timeline, right click and select scene edit detection. You have 3 options here. You can select whatever you like based on your requirement and then click on analyze. Once again, Premiere Pro did the magic and you have all these cuts here. Now, once you make these cuts, if you want to post this video on social media, especially as a YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reel or TikTok, you need to change its aspect ratio. Again, you can do this in Premiere Pro, of course, with one click.
Who are you?
As usual, select the file and this time go to sequence. Select on auto reframe. Here you can change the name, the targeted aspect ratio. For Instagram or YouTube Shorts, you're gonna select 9:16. Then you're gonna select how fast you want the motion to be tracked. I would say default is fine, but you can change it if you like. And then lastly, if you like this video to be nested or not. Keep it however you like it. Once you click on create, Premiere Pro will create a reframe video for you.
You have lost your mind. But you are the best.
These AI tools are here for you to become a better video editor. Please do not use them to replace you. To be honest, you must know some basic of video editing and video production.
Sorry. I know, it's hard.
And with that, if you want to learn more about the basic of video editing in Premiere Pro, please watch this video. The link is somewhere here, also in description. And lastly, my fellow creators, I hope you find this video valuable to your time. Please like this video and leave a comment. Let me know which AI feature you like the most. If I missed any feature, mention that. Let me also learn from you. It's a two-way process. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe so that you'll get all the notifications of my upcoming videos based on tips, tricks, or sometime I give away a lot of free stuff. I will see you again. Until then, my friends, take care and keep creating.